Want this edit? Open Capcut and upload any video clip of Jennie and Lisa. Duration, 2.5 seconds. For the frame, I used 3:4 ratio. Zoom in the video clip to fit within the frame. Add keyframe at the beginning and at the middle part of the clip. And at the end, adjust the video clip to center Lisa on the screen. Now freeze the last part of the clip. Then trim the freeze clip to 2.4 seconds. On the first clip, add effect, angel under light effects. Add keyframe at the beginning, middle, and at the end of the effect. Using the keyframes, adjust the intensity to 0, 100, and 0. On the second clip, the freeze clip, adjust the brightness to -15 and the saturation to -50. Then add the effect blur under night glove. And adjust the blur to 40. Third clip, add any video clip of Jennie, duration 1.0 second. Apply the speed curve flash out. Screenshot the first part of the clip. Crop the photo using the framing 3:4. Then save. Go to Google and search for the remove background. And upload the screenshot photo. And download the result. Now go back to Capcut and add the remove background photo as overlay on the second clip. Add 2 keyframes at the middle part of the overlay clip and drag downward the photo using the first keyframe. And then add graph ease in. Next, add 5 video clips of Jennie. Durations are on the screen. And apply the speed curve flash out on every clip. Starting on the third clip, add keyframe at the beginning, and at the end, zoom in the video on the screen like this. Add graph linear. Do the same steps on every clip. Freeze the last part of the last clip of Jennie. And trim to 1.1 second. This will be the 9th clip. Adjust the brightness to -15 and saturation to -50, then add the effect blur. Next, add any video clip of Lisa, duration 1.0 second, and apply the speed curve flash in. Add keyframe at the end, and at the beginning, zoom in the video on the screen like this. Screenshot the first part of the video clip, edit to crop, and save. Use the Remove Background tool from Google and then save. Go back to Capcut and upload the Remove Background photo as overlay on the 9th clip. And trim to 1.1 second. Add keyframe at the middle part of the overlay clip, and at the beginning, drag downward the photo on the screen. Then add graph ease in. Add video clips of Lisa. Durations are on the screen. Apply the speed curve flash in to 11th up to 16th clip. Add keyframe at the end, and at the beginning, zoom in the video on the screen, then add graph linear. Do the same steps on every video clip. And on the 17th clip, adjust the vignette to 50 and add animation fade out for 0.5 second. Starting on the 3rd clip, add effect diamond zoom under opening and closing. Place the effect in between the clips. Tap the object and select all videos. Do the same on the additional effect, the oblique blur under opening and closing. Copy both effects, and place the copied effects in between the clips. Continue adding the effects up to the end of the clip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content. When finished, export the project.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.